Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, your money just disappears by the end of the month? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple habits you can start right now to save more money every single month without making huge sacrifices. So stick around because number 5 might just surprise you. First up, track your spending. You can't save what you can't see. Use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even the Notes app on your phone. The goal here is to know exactly where your money goes, because once you see it, you'll naturally start cutting out things you don't really need. Number 2, pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account right after payday. Even if it's just $20, the consistency adds up over time. The trick is making it automatic so you never have to think twice about it. Habit 3, plan your meals. Eating out is one of the biggest silent money drainers. By making a meal plan, writing a grocery list, and sticking to it, you'll save hundreds each month. Bonus tip, never shop hungry. It's a recipe for overspending. Fourth, audit your subscriptions. Streaming, gym memberships, apps. You'd be surprised how many you're paying for but don't actually use. Go through your bank statements and cancel anything that isn't adding value to your life. And finally, habit number 5, the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait a full day. Most of the time, that must-have impulse will fade, and you'll realize you didn't need it after all. This simple trick can save you from a lot of unnecessary spending. So those are 5 simple habits to help you save more money every month. Track your spending, automate savings, plan meals, cut subscriptions, and practice the 24-hour rule. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart money tips, and share this with a friend who wants to save too. Question of the day: which of these habits are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.